Hi, I'm Astrodivediko, and today I want to show a secret method described by me that you use the marriage year wage to find the exact year of death. You can find in my book on page 35. It is in my theory of progression nakshatra theory. Right. What does that mean? It means that the lagna is yourself, the seventh house is your spouse, right? The red pole, the male pole direction, and the blue pole is a female pole. Lagna is our body, right? And the other pole is the end of the body. The lagna is also first house, birth year. And the seventh house, opposite house, is a death year. Could it be the death year? In ancient Roman astrology, Greek Roman astrology, Vitus Valens, in his studies of his great work Ontology about longevity, he used to say that the house of death was the seventh house. Now we use the eighth house. Now I want to show you some examples about this rule. Now the first chart is Mahatma Gandhi. He is born on 2nd of October 1869 and he died 30th of January 1948. Now I have two progressions and it will show different angles. So when you are searching for a death year, you must use also the opposite nakshatra. Now sometimes it could be progression A plus progression B. Other times could be the year of marriage and the year of death are only shown by progression A, Saptarishi formula, I will show you. Or sometimes will be only used in the progression B, the marriage year or age and the death year. Now, if somebody, I've noticed that if you marry more than one time, let's say 2 or 3 times, for example, Marilyn Monroe's chart, she got married 3 times. I have used last marriage year, age, and only that year will show you the death year. So if you marry 2 times, you must look at the second marriage. If you are married only once, you look at that year. Now, as we know that Mahatma Gandhi got married in his 13th year. Now, first I want to show how the two progressions work. Saptarishi progression, in that in my book there are some tables that show you the Saptarishi progression. Table A for birth in 19th century, table B birth in 21st century. Now, he of course got married in the 19th century, right? And he died in the 20th century, right? This is the first progression. Now you don't need to use the formula. In the book you have already the years in the tables, but I will show you the formula work. Now in this case he was born in 1869 plus 13 years. The year of marriage was 1882, right? So you write to find a nakshatra that shows the year 1882 less 1808, it's a 19th century, you write 1808. If it's 20th century, you write 1908. If it's after, it's in the 21st century, you write 2008. And you will find this at nakshatra. Now, 1882 less 1808 is 74. 74 less 54 is 20, and 20 shows the marriage age. But it does not show the death year. So the year 1880 does not show. So what will you do? Look at the age. The age was 13, nakshatra Hasta. It's conjunction with the 1948 Saptarishi. I show you 1948 less. I show you that it will be Asta. 0 and 40. 40 less 27 is 3. 3 is 1. Asta. So the year of March 13 is conjunction with the death year and shows the exact death of Mahatma Gandhi. You see? Can you see? Now this is a case of my father. But before I did not explain before how the progression B works. Now it all starts from nakshatra 1 as we know. Year number 1, Bharani. Year number 2, Kritiga. Year number 3, Rohini. Year number 4, Migra. 5, and so on. And you go round. For example, nakshatra 25 is 79. That could be 1879 or 1979, or it could be the age 79. So we count 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. It could be the age 94 or 1894 or 1994. So this is how it works. It says Saptarishi progression. He got married in 1961. Now, he got the year age was 24, but you cannot find the year of death. So in this case, as I explained before, the marriage is shown by the progression A, Saptarishi forma, and the year of death is shown opposite nakshatra by progression nakshatra theory. So you combine the both angles. So how to see which year is 1961? 1961 less 19 former 1908 is 53. 53 is less than 54. So we reduce from 27. It is nakshatra 26. So 1961 nakshatra 26 is opposite Hasta. So the marriage is marriage year. It shows directly the year of death. See? Okay, this is the third case. Now, this is Mary Monroe chart. She was born on the 1st of June 1926 and she died the 4th or the 5th of August 1962. Okay. Now, she got married 3 times. In 1942, there is Satusha Nakshatra 7. Then she got married in 1954. That is Nakshatra 19, Saptarishi progression. And the last marriage, as I told you before, you must look at the somebody's last marriage or only marriage, yeah, 1956, that is Uttarashada Nakshatra. Now, this is progression A, Saptarishi. In this case, we have used both progressions to get the exact year of death. Now, the Nakshatra 21 is opposite Nakshatra Pusha. 3 is opposite 7, and also is opposite 8. And in the second progression Nakshatra theory, it is 62. That, as I told you, becomes 1862 or 1962 or 2062. In this case it shows 1962. Okay. And also age 35. But in this case showed the exact year, because progression A, Nakshatra Uttarashada, is opposite progression B, that shows 1962. You see the opposite in Cancer sign. You see how it works? It is useful when you combine with Dasha Bhukti, or a person is very sick, that I will show you the chart. Now this is a personal case, very recent case. A friend of mine that is like a big brother. He got sick, really sick, 1 month ago. Now he has cancer, tumor, and you will not know that I am doing this video, but not putting any name. The doctor said that he has 1 or 2, 3 months of life. In 2 July I already made some calculation. He gave me 74, 75 years. I'm not showing it here. Now in this case, 2025 is Nakshatra Anuradha. Now, in both progressions, Saptarishi shows Anuradha, also Nakshatra progression theory shows Anuradha. Okay, as I said, for progression B, Nakshatra 1 is year number 1, 2, 3, 4, so you're still counting. 25 is 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2000, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2020. 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25, and also, so they both give, but it's not, but 1985 is Saptarishi, it is because he is born in 1951, plus 34 year, 1985, year of marriage, but he got married before his birthday, so age was 33, the year was 34. So in this case, 1985 is Nakshatra Saptarishi, as shown right now. 1985. Let's 5, 7, less 54, 1. It is Nakshatra 21, 1985. Progression Saptarishi. 21, Nakshatra Saptarishi, Nakshatra Uttarashadha, is opposite his marriage year, 34. Okay, the year is showing the age of marriage and the year of marriage. Now, also, what happens here? Nakshatra 21 shows this 75 year of progression B. As you already, he is born on 25th of July, now he is in his 75th year. So this confirms that it will be the end. Okay? This confirms that it will be the end. Because the marriage year, 34 year, is opposite his 75th year. As in Indian, no, the first month of a child is the first year of life. So his birthday is already gone. So he is now in his 75th year. That confirms that it is the last period of his life. Okay. Another thing. The progression that confirms progression B, the marriage age was 33. This opposite his actual age, 74. That in progression B is Nakshatra Purvashada of Venus, is his 74th year. So his marriage age is opposite actual age. So this is another confirmation that it is 2025 or the beginning 2026, but I believe 2025 is the end, and it confirms the doctor's prediction. So this is a real life case, actually recent, that shows how it works perfectly, looking at different angles, especially if a person is really sick and someone asks you, can you see, can you confirm what the doctors say, and you can confirm. Okay, see you next time, bye.